What's going on, YouTube? Welcome again to another video. So today is a simple one. It's just the door sill protectors for the Jeep. For some reason they don't come with it stock where they should have been, and these are like about $60. These are the original Mopar ones, and you can get like aftermarket ones that have better coverage, but I just kind of like keeping it OEM because it says Wrangler and stuff like that, so I just chose this one. Nothing serious with this one. All I'm gonna show you is how I prep the surface with like alcohol, clean it up, clean the surface so there's no oil residue on it, because you do step on or step over this thing. So to make sure, because this is just an adhesive, so you want to create the best sticky surface as you can. So I'm gonna prep the surface and make sure to measure where I put this on here so I can match the other side. So I'm gonna position, I think, the front right. So this one's the front left. So it's like that. So I just gotta make sure to see. This is my line right here. So I guess, kind of measure it from that to that. All right, let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna prep the surface with the alcohol. They actually give you alcohol prep pad in the kit that comes with the door sill, but I'm just using my own with the paper towel. It's a couple passes. If you don't see any more smudges, that should be enough. The smudges are the problem. That's oil or any residue. So we'll open the front left. So there's two strips here, so you just peel the backing and then you just apply it. So I'm going with the edge of this corner, just roughly. So we peeled it, put it on the ground. There's a thing there's this thing here, so I guess the part under this part is not sticking because there is a ridge here, but that's okay. What can you do about that? There are some door sills that wrap all around, all the way up to here. I think those would be much nicer. But for this one, just keeping it OEM, I kind of like it. It's good enough for me. Let's see if it closes. Yep, that's fine. We'll start on the back now. Alright, so we'll do the back now. Prep the surface. Yeah, this is somewhat of a... I don't think you're supposed to. Okay, I think this is good. It's good enough. Let's find the rear left. So it says here, rear left. Open that. Just cut it short. Rear left. So it doesn't have a logo on the back. Kind of sucks, but that's okay. We'll do the same with this. So I'm roughly just putting it. Let me visually see. So on this side, if you look at the corner here, there is actually an arrow. So you can actually maybe point, if you point that to that crack, it actually is the nice spot to put it on. So I think that's probably intentional. I just didn't notice it before. So there you go. Pressed it in. Okay, so since I noticed that line there, if I actually move this to the crack, it would be like over here and over here. That's cool. Maybe I should change it, but all the traffic area, all the scratches that I see are in this area anyway. So it's okay, I guess. I mean, I don't mind it. I mean, I could probably rip it off, but it might damage the sticky part underneath. I can live with it. I'll just do it this way because there's not much traffic going on this direction. It's mainly this direction. So you can see all the hairline rub marks right here. So I'll keep it where it is. Okay, so we're in the passenger side now. I just prepped the surface with alcohol again. I'm looking at the surface again. You could put it on the more forward position because the arrow points, there's an arrow indicator on the plastic. But like I explained on the other side, the high traffic area is in the middle here. So I don't really care about this area here too much. So you're still ending up from here to here. So that's not so bad. So the front right, do it the same way. Put it at the edge there. Okay. Let's test to see if it closes properly. No issues. I guess it doesn't create a complete seal like the ones that I talked about, like the one that goes over, but it's okay. As long as it provides some sort of protection. It also looks good because it's all just gray in this area. Nice to put a nicer black contrast to it. Okay, let's move on to the back, last part. Okay, got the last spot here. Okay. Take the last right rear. It's a very strong adhesive too. Okay, so you got the arrow on this side. This one we can follow because it's a very small space and they're kind of right at where you put it. There. Okay. Put them on. What do you think, Molly? What do you think? She don't care. Okay, that should do it. And that's it. We'll see how long it holds up with the trips and the traffic going in and out. Not a lot of people go in the back here. It's mainly the front I'm concerned about. But yeah, if you look at the front, it looks way nicer now, and it says Wrangler on it, so it looks pretty cool. Alright, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.